Welcome to today's listening test. You will hear a park ranger giving information about Riverside Nature Reserve to new volunteer staff. First, you have some time to look at the map. Now listen carefully and answer questions 11 to 16.
Right, welcome to the team. I'm Park Ranger Wilson. Since you'll all be helping visitors navigate the reserve, let's go through the map so you're familiar with our key locations. The numbering system might seem a bit confusing at first, but you'll get used to it. So, we're currently at the entrance, which isn't numbered but clearly marked. Now, looking at point 16, this was originally planned as our wildlife sanctuary, but due to funding issues, we converted it to our research station. Not to be confused with the research center which was in our original plans but never materialized. Moving on to spot 11, let me start with 15 since it's closer to the entrance. Point 15 is our botanical garden. We used to call it the flower garden or the flora exhibit in our older maps, so visitors might ask for either of those names. Next to the west lane, that's the road running along the left side of the map, near the bush area is point 11. This is the Insect Museum. Many visitors expect this to be near the Butterfly Pavilion, but we've separated them intentionally for pest control reasons. Speaking of which, the Butterfly Pavilion is, yes, it's at point 14. Though between April and September, we temporarily relocate it to where point 13 is, and point 13 becomes our seasonal exhibition space instead. Now, the central hub of our reserve is at point 12. This serves as both our emergency station and information kiosk. Previously this was just labeled as the meeting point, but we've expanded its function. Point 13, except during butterfly season as I mentioned, is our archaeological exhibit. We discovered some interesting artifacts when developing the reserve, so we created a small display area. Some brochures might still refer to this as the historical corner. Now regarding our amenities, the car park is east of the pond, though we're planning to relocate it next month. The cafe, marked as CF, serves food until 4:30 p.m., not 5 p.m. as stated in some of our materials. The bush area on the western side contains protected species, so it's accessible only on guided tours which depart from, they depart from point 12 3 times daily, 10 a.m., 1 p.m., and 3 p.m. The afternoon tour is at 2:30 p.m., not 3. Any questions before I continue with the daily operational procedures?